Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Capital One shopping account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your App Store, and on this search bar, simply go ahead and search for Capital One Shopping. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now simply tap on the first application, download and install this onto your device, and now simply go ahead and tap on open. Now, all you need to do is on the bottom right, there is going to be your more button. Simply tap on that, click on sign in. And now, as you can see right below the email address tab, there is going to be new here, create account tab. Simply tap on create account, enter your first name, your last name, click on next. It's going to ask you for your email. Simply go ahead and provide them your email, and they'll ask you to create a password, and then your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.